All right, so what you're going to need to do for Wednesday, you're going to come in and do your attendance. In the attendance, you're going to watch the video that's here about Jackie Robinson. And you're going to answer, what is he famous for? So make sure that you watch the video first and then tell me what he was famous for. Your second task is going to be, it's going to look like a pear deck. And you are going to first make sure that you sign in with your school account. And then you're going to be brought to a Pear Deck link. And your job is to read this section. I will put into Schoology a read aloud of this for my students who might need it. And then you are going to identify the main idea and one key detail, but be sure that you are not using the detail that I've already put in there. Okay, remember we hit the T button. We choose the color text that we want, and then we're going to go ahead and write or type our answer in this response here. When you are done answering on these, I'm going to just make sure that I answer it so it allows me to move forward. You're going to come to this one that says to summarize in your own words. So remember, in our own words means that I'm not copying from the book. Why are spiders able to survive in their environment? Think about the different adaptations. And then be sure that you are using 4 sentences to answer this. So I would click in this box here and then type my response. So after completing your Pear Deck, it's just 2 slides after completing your Pear Deck, what you're going to do, a lot of you from Monday did not do their assignment on Myon. So if I go into and I click on this Myon, I put my students who have nothing started. So if your name is here where there is nothing, I have nothing started from you. That means you haven't even listened or read a book. And then these are my students that I have not gotten the summary from. If your name is there in that highlighted area, that means that you have not done your summary. So there is a video here that shows you how to get to what you are supposed to, or how to get to that Myon. And then here's Clever login, because Clever is a good way to get to your Myon. So if I go to Clever and I log in, or ClassLink, whatever, however you get there. So ClassLink is the cloud. Clever gets you to your Clever page, and then I'm going to look for Myon. When I click on Myon, it's going to take me to my home page, and across the top, you should have a project tab. I don't, because I'm a teacher. So in that video that I put, it shows you how to get to your Myon project. And then after that, remember, on Wednesdays, you have plenty of extra time to go into your extra folder of missing work to be able to complete that. Remember, we are probably week 3. There's still quite a bit of assignments that are in here. Please make sure that you go through and you check that you have completed it. Make sure that you've completed all your assignments on Class Kick. That's where else we would find. Remember, anything with the green dot next to our assignment means that we have not done it, which means you've not opened it, you've not started. If you have any questions or you want me to tell you what you might be missing, you can send me a message and I'll try to figure it out. I'm going to do some grading tomorrow and I'll start putting names on these lists.